Welcome to this channel. In this video, I'll show you how to set up a Google ad campaign, not just any ad campaign, but an effective one that will lead to conversions on your website. So first of all, you come to your Google Ad Manager. For those of you who don't know how to get to the Google Ad Manager, when you go to your Google, just go to Google. Okay, very good. Get your Google interface like this, or search for Google on your browser. Then you click on the right, or this square this box. Come and click on Google Ads. It brings you to the Google Ad interface. Okay. It will bring you to here. If you have done previous Google Ad campaigns in the past, you will see some of the results and all that. So if you want to create a new one, just like what I'm going to show you, you click on create. Then you go to ad campaign. Now, before you create a Google Ad campaign, you should have already set up your conversion tracking. If you want Google to be able to get information from people who follow the advert and go to your website and the actions they take, and how Google can optimize the results of the advert for you from those who take action to the website, they need information to know that this person who searched for this key term, followed the advert, went to their website and took this action, so that they can optimize and show to people who are also like that and more likely to take the desired action you are seeking for. So my objective here is sales. I want people to buy, and I want them to go to the website and then view some certain pages and take certain actions. So if you don't know how to set up the Google conversion tracking, please check in the description. I have done a video earlier on how to set up conversion tracking, how to install Google Tag Manager. Check, you will get those videos. Okay, so just continuing. So my primary action for this website is what? Page view. Like I want people to view certain landing pages. Okay, so I'll click on continue. Then click on search. So here you put the landing page of where you want people to go when they see the advert. So then you choose, if you want people to call you direct from the advert too as well, you go and then choose a country. Okay, so for your own, if store visit apply, you can choose it. So let me just, I'll click on continue. So you put the campaign name. Then for here, choose conversions. Some people may choose, they're asking of what we want to focus on. We want to focus on conversions. In this case, whatever conversion event you have set up, that is what you can choose to optimize for. Some people choose conversion value, clicks, impressions. Impression and clicks may not necessarily lead to results. So focus on conversions. I've done that. So target cost per action is optional. What they are basically saying is that choose how much you want it to cost you per conversion. The reason why I don't normally select it is that if you have not run the advert in the past, you don't know much about the average cost per conversion in your industry. The cost per conversion could be what? $1. And if you have chosen less than that value, then Google will not spend your advert and will not show your advert to people, because the conversion that you have chosen, the conversion cost you have chosen is higher than the average for that particular one, or is higher than how it will actually cost you to get that particular action. So what I normally do is choose your budget and allow for the target cost per action, leave it open, so that Google will look at how many conversions your budget can get for you. Yes, they will always, the system itself will even try to get to optimize the result for you, but it will focus on getting the conversions. Then even sometimes if you want to choose it, you can let the advert run for some time. That one, after some time, you will get experience and results, and you know how much it will cost you. Yeah. Okay, so after you have done that, you just come and click on next, and then it brings you down. So you choose the location. So here I'm choosing Ghana. And then please, after you select the location, never make mistake to select all countries and territories because it will waste your money. Okay, then after that, you come to the include. Make sure you choose presence, people who are present or living in that location, not interest. With the presence or interest, people who are not in that country or that location and they're interested in that location, they will see the advert, but that will be irrelevant to you. So go down and then make sure you choose the presence. Okay. Then from there, come and choose broad match keywords. Then you go down. You can choose, you can put off the match keywords and then choose specific keyword type. That is the phrase match and the exact match. But my experience in the past is that sometimes if you choose phrase match and exact match, sometimes it may narrow down it will narrow down your potential traffic, and sometimes you may not get significant traffic. So if you are someone who has some little experience from, maybe you have done the ad and you are getting a lot of junk traffic, you may come and then put this one off and use exact match. You may use exact match, and you may also decide to choose phrase match. However, for this ad campaign, I want to use broad match keyword. Okay, then I will just come here and then choose more settings. Then from here, I'll choose, okay, so the date, the start and end date. So for now, I want to choose up to the end of the month. So choosing up to the end of the month. Then come and then for here, just leave all these like that and then click on next. Yes, we are at the keywords. So at the keywords, I have to generate the keywords that I want to. In fact, sometimes what they will let you do is they may scan your website and automatically generate the keywords for you, or you can come to keywords and then manually enter the keyword that you want to use. So for example, these are some keywords that have been selected for me already. So I just have to, I will advise you, you can use this tool. You can use keywordtool.io. It's a free keyword tool. Then you can put the keyword here and see what people are searching for in your industry. And then when you put it, remember to select Google, and then also select the country so that they can narrow down the search to people within the location you have chosen. For your ad, and then you scroll down. After you're done with that, what you need to do here is to put the final path or the final URL. Then if you don't know, final URL is the URL that people reach after clicking your ad. It should match what your ad promotes. Yeah. So you scroll down and then go to here. So let me just add a call, the number that I want people to call. I added earlier. So just click on apply. So as you see, that number is showing. Then we scroll down. So we're supposed to put headlines, okay? Headlines, and then we are also supposed to put the description. So the headline normally is supposed to be what? Something that should be what? Effective, eye-catching, short, within 30 letters. They will show at the top, then the description will be below it. So for example, this can be headline, as you see, symptoms of STI, natural health remedies, how to naturally treat infection. The second one, or what is down there, is a headline, and what is at the top is the description. Let me take it again. What is at the top is a headline, and what is below is a description. Okay, that's it. So sure you get that done. So the headlines, we have to add as much as possible. And then this one too, you can also use the keyword tool again, the keywords that you saw fail this, make sure that you customize it to fit exactly what you want them to see, or what will cause them to take the action that you are looking for. So you make sure you get all the headlines. And then when you are done, in case you want to add more headlines, just click on the headline. Then you also make sure that all the descriptions are input. For the descriptions, they are 4. So after you are done with the description, the headlines, you come to the side links. For the side links are what will normally other pages on the website you may want the people to see or just click and corner. So for example, about us or contact us. Okay. So if you want to create a site link for that one, when you come here, just click on what? Click on site link. In fact, if you didn't create 1 or 2, for me, I've done previous one for other adverts. So some of them have just shown. You just click on the plus. If you didn't have anyone, either side link 1 or side link 2, when you click on the plus, it will just appear with something like this. Okay. It will come. So you are supposed to put the name of the side link, the text. So for example, this is about us. Then you put the URL of the about us from your website. Then just add something here. So I said get safe and affordable supplements. It could also be contact us for safe and what? Affordable supplements. Then discover fast acting STI or STD medication. So you put that. Then you come to the I think this is the first one. So let me go to the second one, right? This is the contact us, best organic treatment for this safe organic STI solution. So that is it. Or under the contact us, you can make it more or less like contact us for this. I'm just whichever way you want it, but I'm just trying to let you understand. You can what you are writing here can be more towards your location. Okay, that is under the contact us. Then under the about us, you could make it more of a description for people to know more about you. So the about should put more information about you. The contact us should focus on your location. After that, you can add callers. For the call out, let me just explain to you. The call out are what? Very short, about 25, within 25 letters. Just that one will show below the description. So for example, 100% organic ingredients, no side effects, natural diabetes support. In fact, this one should be natural STI / STD support. Then quick delivery in Ghana, affordable prices, improve. So this one is not correct. Okay. So I will apply all those that are correct or all those that I want. And then if you are done with this, just click on next. So you can now choose your budget. So for now, $10 a day. So I put the budget. And then come and click on the next. I think under keywords, I have a certain problem there. It says, try changing or removing these keywords. If you are sure that the keywords comply with your policies, request a review. So I am having problem with some of the keywords here. So I think I have to remove them in order to avoid the advert being restricted. So you see the keywords problem has been resolved. Then I'll click on next again. I'm asked to review it. So this one is a review of everything I've done so far. So if you review it and you're okay with everything, you just click on publish. If you publish, now the advert is going to be in review, and then after some time, they will approve it. When they approve it, it will start running. Now, if you follow this, some of you run advert and you don't get effective result. I specialize in Facebook, Instagram, and Google Ads. I have set up advert for over 3,000 people in the last 5 years. If you have any problem and you need my specialized support, don't hesitate to contact me by following the link in the description, the WhatsApp or Telegram link. I will help you. We charge very affordable prices. We will just take your contract and execute it excellently for you. If you also want us to support you live on Zoom to either set up your advert or solve certain specific problems, we are available and we will help you. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, and like this video. Once again, see you in the next video, and bye-bye.